Hello and welcome to TLN. Couple of days back, I had been to the Kora Kendra plant nursery. This is a must-visit place for plant-crazy people like me. You can have a good time among the native and exotic varieties here. Here you can find some earthen and plastic pots of all sizes, including hanging pots. The plants I spotted were varieties of crotons, syngonium, fern, native plants like neem, oregano, popularly mistaken as ajwain or carom plant, many native varieties of roses, mogra, chafa or frangipani, aloe vera, spider plant and lemongrass, tulsi or holy basil, and moss rose, both native and hybrid varieties. Pothos, popularly known as money plant, monstera, and a couple of bonsais. Areca palm, queen of the night or orchid cactus, a species of cactus which is mistakenly worshipped as Brahma Kamal. I could also find some varieties of philodendron or red emerald, and many big palm saplings. I believe these are sago palms. In the shop, you can find a variety of organic fertilizers, growth boosters, and soil enricher granules, vegetable and flower seeds for gardening in a small space. I got about 5 kg cow dung manure for only 30 rupees, and also the plant mister for rupees 150. This helps to keep tropical plants cool in summer and also spray organic pesticides in case of some infection. You can adjust the flow by turning the nozzle. The mister is very easy to operate. All you have to do is pump out the air and press the button on top for spraying. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Kora Kendra. Until we meet again, take care and stay safe.